Hi everyone. We've all had that experience where, you've all had that experience where you're sitting at home or you're at work or you're studying at school and you look down at your phone and what do you see? The ominous empty battery symbol. You quickly scramble around and find your charger and plug in your phone right before it dies. But let's be honest, you don't have time to sit around waiting for that thing to fill up. And you're faced with this harsh reality that batteries just take too long to charge. Phone batteries are part of the mobile accessories market, a market which is really quite enormous, considering there are billions of smartphone users in the world today. This market is expected to grow significantly, and by creating an alternative to the classic battery, to classic battery charging, you'd be able to revolutionize this market. And not only revolutionize this market, but revolutionize the market of batteries and energy storage in general, reaching an arm out into home environments and work environments. So what's a good alternative to normal charging? Well, imagine a world where you can take your phone out and you can hold it against a block on the wall and have it charge up in record time, wirelessly. That's what we thought of when we came up with the OA battery. So the OA battery will incorporate newly discovered technology involving the ionization of inorganic compounds called enzymes to charge up your phone in record time, in a matter of seconds. And incorporating this with wireless charging technologies, you'll never have to worry about charging your phone in the classic manner or carrying around a bulky charger ever again. That's convenient.